Hey Melissa, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that's certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope that you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I ask, if you don't mind, would be just to give me some feedback on this video. But we'll go ahead and get started. And the three things we'll cover are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content. And I do have your Facebook page pulled up here, but I'll be honest, the first place that people are going to go when they're looking for services they're needing is going to be Google, and they're going to want to typically see a website. So just for reference, with the content that I'm speaking about, I did pull up one of the top competitors in your area's site here. So anything that's on this site would be considered content. So the words, the pictures, and also what the pictures are saved as would be considered content. So my first suggestion would be to get a website. And typically Google likes to see about 1,500 words on the home page. And that will give you a good opportunity to be able to add in within those 1,500 words, keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So that's really the only tip that I do have for you there. We'll go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is going to be citations. And I pulled up a quick Google search here for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. So with the citations, they have a lot to do with that map pack section. And a citation would be your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directories, I mean things like Facebook, which you have, which is great, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, and anywhere else that allows business owners to add in those business details and services. So you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you would want to grab those listings for yourself. But you don't just want to stop there either. So for instance, say that your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You would want to grab those listings for your own company, and then you would want to add on to that. So if they have 10, you're wanting to double, triple, quadruple that. So you would want to get, 20, 40, 60. You would want to just completely blow them out of the water. That's going to help you to really dominate them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high here as well. So moving right along to backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website. And that is pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to your website as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's really not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning services, cleaning companies that send a link back to your site that signal to Google that number one, that is the correct industry for you. That's the industry that you are in. And number two, that you are trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but it will also be a lot more powerful in Google's eyes since it is relevant to the industry that you're in. And I pulled up one of the tools that I use here. I wasn't able to put your company into it since you don't have a website at this time, but I did go ahead and put in that company that we did just look at their website a moment ago. So it's showing that they have 1.33 thousand referring domains. That's giving them 66.1 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 21.2 thousand keywords. And that's driving 39.6 thousand people to their website on a monthly basis, which is huge. So let's see if I can pull up the keywords that they're using here, and that'll kind of give you an idea of the types of things you'd be looking for. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is anything that someone's going to think to type into that search bar when they're looking for your services. So Also, we'll pay attention to this section here, this volume section. This number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched monthly. Let's see what they have here. So they're ranking for their business name, which is not surprising. Cleaning service near me. That would be a good one. Let's see what else they have here. Residential cleaning, home cleaning service, professional house cleaning service. Here is a perfect one. Cleaning services, Dayton, Ohio. So that is perfect because it lists the industry and the service that they offer, but it also lists the area that they're trying to target. That would be a very powerful keyword because that is the kind of thing that would help you rank. And I won't bore you by going through all of these, but it does, like I said, at least give you an idea of the types of things that you're looking for. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And again, you don't just want to stop there. You want to keep adding on to whatever they have and, going above and beyond them. That is going to get you on that first page of Google, but it's also going to make it very, very difficult for your competition to even keep up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you today, Melissa. I hope that this video was helpful. If there's anything else that we can help you with, or if you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please feel free to reach out to us. We would really love to talk to you about that. And thanks for taking your time again, and you have a great weekend.